2019 was a great year for Hot Wheels. We had some amazing new release cars. Surely 2020 is going to be another amazing year for Hot Wheels releases, so stay tuned. In this video, we're going to go over everything that you need to know about new releases for 2020 Hot Wheels. We've already seen our first batch of 2020 Hot Wheels mainlines released in the 2020 Hot Wheels A case. I've already done a full unboxing of this case and I will link it in the description box below. But let's go over some of the highlight cars from this case. The Pixel Shaker, Nissan Skyline GTR BN R32, 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI, Road Bandit. In some countries around the world, the 2020 Hot Wheels B case has been released. Let's have a look at some of the cars that are included. A really cool new livery on the Porsche 917 LH, the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, a recolor of the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, a nice orange 95 Mazda RX-7, the 2018 Hot Wheels Legends Tour Winter Car 2 Jet Z, a neat new fantasy casting RV There Yet, the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, the custom El Camino, a new color for the Batmobile. As soon as I find out information on the 2020 Hot Wheels C case, I'll be posting a video about it, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an upcoming video. This is what we know so far about the 2020 Hot Wheels treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. The 2020 A case treasure hunt is the Bubble-Matic, and the 2020 B case treasure hunt is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. For super treasure hunts, we'll have the Nissan Skyline GTR BN R32 for the A case, the Ford GT40 for the B case, the 67 Jeepster Commando for the C case, the Porsche 918 Spyder for the D case, the 88 Honda CRX for the E case, the Nissan GTR R35 for the F case, the Mazda RX-7 for the G case, the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, and the 57 Chevy, which are for unspecified cases. Some of these super treasure hunts are not confirmed to their case code, so they may show up in different cases. And for the very first time, we'll be getting Hot Wheels ID chase cars featured in each of the cases. The first one from case A is the Night Shifter. Later on, we'll get the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. The 2019 Hot Wheels LA convention just wrapped up and Mattel announced a ton of new mainlines, premium cars, new sets, and RLC releases. Let's go over every single one of them. For mainlines, we have the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo from a new Porsche series. We have the 2019 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 from the Factory Fresh series, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator from the Baja Blazers series, the 1998 Honda Prelude from the Honda series, the 2016 Bugatti Chiron from the Factory Fresh series, which is also a Zamac release, the 1990 Acura NSX from the Hot Wheels Exotic series, the 1998 Subaru Impreza 22B STI from the Hot Wheels Turbo series, the Datsun 510 wagon with Momo graphics on it from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series, the 1991 GMC Cyclone from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series, the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302 from Muscle Mania. Also from Muscle Mania, we have the 64 Chevy Nova Gasser, the 1952 Hudson Hornet from Rod Squad, Manga Tuner from the Toon series, a really neat car, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon from Hot Wheels Screen Time, the Mattel Dreammobile from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage, Formula E Gen 2 from Hot Wheels Race Day, Donut Drifter from Fast Foodie series, and a really neat Thomas the Train Loco Motorin from the Hot Wheels Metro series, Speed Driver from Experimotor series, Erkenstein Rod from the Hot Wheels Hot Truck series, and this really neat duck called Duck and Roll from Street Beast series, and some cars that will be featured as a mainline and super treasure hunt, the 1984 Audi Sport Quattro from the Factory Fresh series, the 2017 Nissan GTR R35 from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series, and the 1957 Chevy from the Rod Squad series. Next up are the promotional cars, which will be released from Walmart and Dollar General. First up, we've got the Volkswagen Sunagon, and then we have the 1969 Nissan Skyline van. There will be an exclusive Walmart muscle car series including the 1970 Camaro, 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge, and 1966 Ford 427 Fairlane. Not to be outdone, Target will also get their own exclusive set including the 68 Nova, the 71 Datsun 510, custom V8 Vega, 67 Chevy C10. Next up we have a Walmart exclusive camouflage set including the 2016 Honda Civic Type R, the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake, the 1968 El Camino, the 2018 Camaro SS, and the Nissan Skyline HT2000 GTX. The next set is the 2020 anniversary set featuring Muscle Speeder, 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, 68 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage, Volkswagen T2 Pickup, and Gazella GT. Hot Wheels ID has been the newest concept from Hot Wheels and it's been a huge hit, so we are getting 8 more Hot Wheels ID cars: the Volkswagen T1 GTR, the 1970 Ford Escort RS, Mystery Machine, custom 2015 Ford Mustang, Jurassic Park Jeep, Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy, Back to the Future Time Machine, and the Audi R8 LMS. And next up is our 2020 premium release Hot Wheels cars. From entertainment, we have Masters of the Universe Wind Raider and the Thundercats Thunder Tank. Moving on to the premium Fast and Furious series, we have the Mazda RX-7, the Nissan Skyline C210, the Nissan Skyline HT2000 GTX, the Nissan Fairlady Z, the Nissan SILVIA, the Mazda RX-7 FD, the Nissan 240SX, the Nissan Silvia S15, the Honda Civic EG, and the 2015 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. From premium pop culture, we have the Led Zeppelin series including Holland Gas, Combat Medic, Super Van, 67 Austin Minivan, and Highway Hauler. For premium car culture, we have the Cruise Boulevard set including the Toyota Supra, the 1969 Chevelle SS396, the 2014 Custom Mustang, the custom 1993 Nissan Hardbody, and the Volkswagen Classic Bug. From the premium car culture Door Slammer series, we have the Alfa Romeo Ghia Sprint GTA, the 1971 Porsche 911, and the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. Our next set is the Japan Historics 3 featuring the Nissan Skyline RS KDR 30, the Honda City Turbo 2, Nissan Silvia, Datsun Sunny Truck, and the 1968 Mazda Cosmo Sport. From the Hot Wheels Boulevard series, we've got the Bone Shaker, the 67 Camaro, the Volkswagen T1 Panel Bus, the 1983 Chevy Silverado 4x4, and the Nissan Skyline GTR BCN R33. If you're a Redline Club member, we've got the Custom Mustang, the 1982 Lamborghini Countach LP500S, the 1971 Datsun 510, the Nissan Skyline BN R34, the 1969 Dodge Charger RT Resto Mod, the 1971 DiTomaso Magusta, the 2006 BMW M3, the 1932 Ford 5-window coupe, 1964 Chevy Impala SS Lowrider, and the 1944 Willys MB Rock Crawler. We've also got a bunch of new team transport, including the Mazda 787B and Sakura Sprinter, the RWB Porsche 930 and Aerolift, 1970 Plymouth Superbird and Wide Open, Volkswagen Classic Bug and VW T1 Transporter Pickup, 2016 Ford GT Race Car and Ford C800, and we've also got this really neat Hot Wheels Premium Transporter Nissan display set. They also showed off some new monster trucks, including the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile, 2018 Chevrolet Camaro SS, the Twin Mill, and the Volkswagen Drag Bus. Some other notable cars that were not talked about much but were shown at the LA convention is the Koenigsegg Agera R and the Volkswagen IDR. Stay tuned for an upcoming video on more information on the release of these cars. Some other new upcoming mainlines include a recolor of the Ford Ranger Raptor, the Acura Integra GSR, 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the Borla, a recolor of the Subaru WRX 22B, Pontiac Trans Am, a really nice looking white with red trim Aston Martin Vulcan, a Moon Eyes Volkswagen Beetle pickup, a Hot Wheels Art Cars edition of the 92 Ford Mustang, a black Acura NSX, Surf and Turf Alpine A110, the mainline variation of the super treasure hunt Porsche 918 Spider, Audi RS5 Coupe, some actual pictures of the Zamac edition Bugatti Chiron, and it looks like we're getting a black Bugatti Chiron recolor as well. It also looks like we got 4 new recolors which were just discovered in the wild, including the Dodge Daytona, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, the Ford Ranger Raptor, and the Jaguar XE SV Project 8. You are now up to date with everything that you need to know for 2020 Hot Wheels. Let me know in the comments down below which car you're most looking forward to getting.